Hi Daytona Cubs fans. It's so hard to believe that we're just a few weeks away from opening day here at Radiology Associates Field at Jackie Robinson Ballpark, and individual game tickets go on sale this Monday, March 17th. You can go online at DaytonaCubs.com, get your tickets right here at Radiology Associates Field at Jackie Robinson Ballpark, or you can call 386-257-3172. Again, that's this Monday, March 17th. Our promotional calendar is also online at DaytonaCubs.com. Now, as you can see, the construction here at Radiology Associates Field is coming along so nicely. We've added concession stands and bathrooms, a brand new picnic area, and an entirely new entrance down the right field line. Now, after the 2013 Florida State League Championship, Cubby was exhausted. But when he finally woke up after the new year, he has been so busy getting ready for opening day.
I'm a hard worker every day. I'm a hard worker, I'm working every day. I'm a hard worker, and I'm saving all my pay. If I ever get some money put away, I'm gonna take it all out and celebrate. I'm a hard worker every day. Baseball season's underway. Well, you better get ready for a brand new day. Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. They're singing, go Cubs, go! Go Cubs, go! Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. Go Cubs, go! Go Cubs, go! Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. They got the power, they got the speed.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
You better get ready for a brand new day. Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. They're singing, go Cubs, go! Go Cubs, go! Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. Go Cubs, go! Go Cubs, go! Hey, Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today. They got the power, they got the speed to be the best in the National